What can dance bring to schools at this time? I think dance brings the opportunity for students to tune in to their bodies and to understand a felt sense of their being, and to notice maybe some subtle cues that the body's giving, just as a kind of way of checking in to seeing how they're doing through the body. Also, dance brings movement. It makes us move through, move with certain anxieties or stress or fears that might be acting as tension in the body, and dance allows us to have mobility and fluidity to pass through these things. Also, dance is fun. It's fun to run and jump and play and to be artists through our bodies, to feel a kind of artistry or a creative impulse and to express it. And this is especially fun when we can do it with others. It's important to create a kind of support or a safe space together so that we can be ourselves.